Prince Varde. I am currently working as a CEO of multi-super specialty hospital in Ghatkopar. I got to know about IAFCS through a friend. He recommended me Dr. Devraj, and the 2 days trichology course was quite intense. We got to learn each step about all the deficiencies in hair. Moreover, we got QR678, which is trending at the moment for hair restoration. We got in-depth insight from a specific scientist of the product. From this experience, from this training, I have got to learn in depth about facial aesthetics and trichology. Moreover, I am also be taking a hair transplant course. Administration was superb, and the lectures and the teaching staff were very cooperative. They gave us very good hands-on, where we got to learn in depth about each and every injectable, especially Botox, fillers. Even we got depth knowledge about lasers. So it was quite a good experience. Thank you so much. I would recommend all the doctors to at least come and visit IAFCS. Thank you.